doing is where we left off from was we've just programmed our kodu to turn invisible, move about and fire obviously his missile off. What I'm going to look at now is maybe putting in what's called an NPC character. So just to try to give me some space, I'll maybe drop in a wee bit more land. So let's go to paint tool, let's paint a wee bit more land in my design. I'm going to put a character way over here. So let's move this across, let's go character tool, left click, let's choose, I don't know, the cycle tool. Now the cycle is again quite big, so let's change the scale of that by right clicking, size, make it smaller again. Bit of footery having to jump between them all the time, but you get used to it. Now what we're going to do for our NPC, our non-playable character, is we're going to program this as well. So when we right click and choose program, there are certain things we can have it do automatically. So again, this will take a wee bit of time and a wee bit of planning about with this. So we've got multiple options such as mouse, keyboard, touch, C, when he's got something it does it, when it's scored something, so on and so forth. More options. Health, again, play about with it, learn what you can do yourself. But what I'm going to start off doing for this character is, I want him, so when he sees my kodu, I want him to try and attack that person. So when he sees the kodu, he's going to do, let's have him shoot a missile or a blip at that kodu. Now currently he's just facing the one direction. If I was to press play, this viewpoint is fantastic, as you can see. So it's not even within the screen, but he's still in view, so that's obviously not great for us. We want to maybe start looking at changing that up. Let's go back across to my motorbike. Let's program that again. So let's maybe look at programming. So when he sees a kudu, he's going to score a blip. Now you can put some options on top of this and saying how far away it is. So when it's close by, we can then have it fire a blip. So if we then hit play, you can see it's not close by, so it's not going to fire a blip. We can also change that within the settings menu and what it classifies as close by. Now a bit boring with my kind of motorbike just kind of sitting there. So what we're going to actually learn to do in this video now that I've kind of programmed a very basic NPC is place a path that he must follow. So I'm going to have my NPC player have a path. I'm just going to click this node tool. Now we've got option to drag the nodes or edge or right click for the options. Plane path, add a wall, add road, add flora, so we'll come back to that in a second. I want to just add my nodes. Now you can see these nodes, you can change the colour them as well, because that way you can program multiple NPCs to follow multiple paths. So I'll do for instance a very small white path to begin with. So I'm going to make this motorcycle follow the white path, and I'm going to place another character. Let's do the rover. Make him small, right click, change size. Let's make this follow a different coloured path, so when we click, use the arrow keys, make this a red path. That way I'm then going to program them separately, so this character will follow the red path, and this character will follow the white path. So again, kudu, right click program, just want it to be do. I want it to follow that path, so let's have a look at actions. Say, raise water, set, create, launch, camouflage, express, colour, more. We can get it to follow that path. So if I missed it, move. Move, on path, colour, white. Let's go right click program, do, move, on path again. For these random ones, they just have a kind of wandering around in this kind of speed we wanted to go at. I'm just a bit more particular. On path, red. What we need to do is make it go kind of quickly. Make it go really fast around that path. So when I hit play now, see how fast this character's going. Hopefully, this kind of paths, that's what we'll do. So this is what these two characters are now pre-programmed to do. So that is kind of basic coding, or basic programming for our NPC characters. Again, there's lots of things you can do. You can jump between when you have a wee play around with it. You can make it when your character picks up an apple, it goes